Hi, welcome to my craft room. Today I have the Fat Quarter Shop's Table Runner box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So this is how it comes. It comes with a really pretty, cute box. This month it's pink. Last month it was like this blue color here. So it says Riley Blake Designs. Visit the Riley Blake Designs channel at youtube.com for tutorials using your favorite fabrics. There's that. And I guess this is what the this month's Table Runner is. Super cute. So let's open it up, and I love these boxes. They're so nice and sturdy and reusable. So here's the pattern. Table Runner of the Month, Sweet Summer. Table Runner finish size is 20 by 41. So here is the first fabric. Oh, there's actually two here. Here's the first one. That is part of the watermelon. It goes right here. And this is another part of the watermelon. And these are just small pieces, because you only need two, because it goes on this part of the watermelon and then on this side. And then we have a black stripe, which goes right here. And then we have this pink one. I'm not sure where that one goes. I don't have my glasses on, but I can't tell where that is. I think it's part of the watermelon. I can't tell which one. And this is another part of the watermelon. And this is for the blocks in the center here. This is for the border. This one is for the, oh, I forget what it's called, around the edges here. Forget what it's called. I think this one's part of the watermelon. This one is the blocks in the center there. And this one too. I don't know if you can see the little dots or X's in it. And that is the kit. Everything we need except the backing to make this. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. And I do believe this is sold out for the year. But I'll put a link down below to the Table Runner page just in case. So we got all the directions. And there's what it looks like. So thanks so much for stopping by. I'll see you again soon. Bye.